Oh, paano yan napunta sa hair mo? Why?
Hi.
How my toddler explain herself.
What did you do?
Two.
Sama mo na yan matulog. You will sleep with that. Oh. Tell mommy, why?
So, beauty hair.
Oh, and then?
Then,
Sino naglagay dyan? Si Lian?
yeah.
You? You put that?
Uh,
Oh, how did you put that?
big house. You.
Oh, you brush your hair. And then?
Then,
What happened?
happened.
What happened then?
Then,
Did you know echolalia?
Happened?
then,
Di mo na matanggal. You want me to take off? Say, mommy help.
more help,
Please.
please.
Again, say it. Mommy
Mommy,
help.
help.
Please, mommy.
Please, mommy.
哎呦我的妈！
Please,
Tanggal
daddy.
po
Ha,
ito.
ito.
Bing, I will take it off.
Ayawi.
Yawi. Here. Sided na naman yung ano mo, ponytail mo. O ano na naman yan?